Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Amazon Echo, Amazon Alexa. So if you buy Amazon Alexa or Echo as your devices in your home, you can set up easily by read the manual guide or manual book if you have it, or you can go to the amazon.com. You can search the Alexa setup guide. So there's a step or guide that you can read, you can learn in this website. So set up Alexa in a few easy steps. So learn how to set up Echo device with our easy setup guide. So select your Echo device. Need to type below to get started, and then how to set up your Echo. Here, follow these 5 easy steps. Have your Wi-Fi password. You can also enable Bluetooth on your phone or easier setup experience. And this is very important. Download the Amazon Alexa app first, and then plug in your Echo device. So plug in your Echo device into an outlet. In about a minute, Alexa will greet you and let you know that completed setup in the Alexa app. And after that, you can get started. Just ask the Alexa. Once setup is complete, say Alexa to wake up or to wake your Echo. Then ask for music, news, weather, and more. Or ask Alexa, what can you do? You know Alexa is ready when the light green turns blue. So if your device turn blue like picture, it means the device is ready to grant your request. So here you can watch step-by-step instruction. This is watch this how-to video and so on. Here another method or another guide to set up your Echo Show and so on. You can download or update the Amazon Alexa app on your smartphone to get more out your Echo Show. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click this button below. See you in the next video.